You're so lovely, you're so lovely. I can't help but fall for you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today is a day that I want to be lazy, but I know I should be productive. This will be a productive day in my life. Obviously, you guys probably know what this video is already because of the title. Today is a Friday. We don't have school because I actually don't know why we don't have school. I think it's like a holiday. I should know why we don't have school, but I don't, which is kind of bad. But I'm happy we don't have school. So instead of being lazy this day, I thought that I would make it productive since I have a lot of work to do, especially a lot of like studying because I have a ton of tests coming up since it's November and December is when like the report cards come out, well, for the first semester. So I will be studying, like doing homework, going to the gym. And for those of you who don't know, I actually moved into my new house recently and my bedroom is a complete mess. Like, it's a no, it's a big no. It's so messy and I don't have all my furniture yet, which I still have to get. So there's just like stuff laying on the ground and my desk has like so much stuff in it because I have to get like a shelf, and then you know, I just don't have everything set yet. So we will be cleaning my room for one and then just maybe moving around the furniture to see how I like it. Before we start, this video is a collab with Debora. She is a super sweet YouTuber, a small YouTuber just like me. She makes amazing videos. She also has made a productive day in her life, so check that out after you're done watching my video. I will link it down below in the description, and I will also link her channel so you can watch her other videos too. She's really sweet and I love talking to her, so make sure you go subscribe to her if you aren't already and go leave some sweet comments on her videos.
Is there something after there's nothing to say? We're just moving in circles, but we're losing our shape.
I have finally cleaned that all up. I will show you a bit later, but what I was thinking I wanted to do was maybe put my desk by my window so that I can look out and study. Like, it was my parents' idea, so I maybe want to see if it fits, because then I want this corner to be like my little filming corner, if you know what I mean. I want to put like vines here and then like my Polaroids or like a little saucer chair. I don't know, I'm still deciding.
Guess there's nothing, feels like I'm not doing.
It fits! Ah! Okay.
Disappears in the night.
Okay, so there's a tiny issue. I had like a power strip mounted to my wall and it's a little too far to the right, so if I want, I can move my bed over a bit so that I have more room to sit, but then my bed would cover the power outlets, so I wouldn't be able to like plug in for cord thingies, whatever they're called. So I'm gonna call my dad and see if he can get it remounted more towards the left. Yeah, that's not gonna work.
You wish for the rain. Do you even notice what I'm trying to say? If I give you the ocean, you complain.
I want to put this whiteboard up somewhere, but I can't right now. I'm still deciding where. I'll probably film like a room tour when I'm done, or like a I guess like one of those videos where you redecorate your room, if you know what I mean. I'm still deciding.
We're just moving in circles, but we're losing our shape.
I'm outside right now because I let Tiger out before I started the video, and I just want to look for him because I feel like he's sick because he didn't eat his breakfast this morning, so I'm a little worried. So I'm gonna go look for him right now and then bring him up to my bedroom.
If I gave you the sunset, you wish for the rain. Do you even notice what I'm trying to say? If I gave you the ocean, you'd complain about the waves. Guess it's nothing.
Tiger is somewhere in my room. Sorry about that. Tiger is somewhere in my room behind me, probably in my bathroom for some reason. I don't know why, but I'm gonna do some schoolwork on my computer right now and just catch up on stuff that I'm behind. I don't think I'm behind on anything, but I should be studying for my upcoming tests. I've been doing work and I've been laying on my bed. And Tiger is so cute, but I don't think he's feeling well because he didn't eat his breakfast today. Yeah, he doesn't look well. My poor baby. I finished a ton of my work and now I feel like I want to go outside and skateboard. Here are the skateboards. That's a longboard and then that's a ripstick. I think I want to ride the longboard right now. Okay. I do not want to die. Oh, the lighting is so good. The lighting is so nice here. Let's see if I can put this on the bushes. Oh my God. Ready? It's so nice here. Someone just walked by and I was like screaming that I was obsessed with the lighting. Now I'm kind of embarrassed. If I put this in the middle of the road, will a car hit it? Oh, I see someone. Okay, let's go. Speed bump. Let's not die. Ah!
Do you even notice what I'm trying to say? If I gave you the ocean, you'd complain about the waves. It's a beautiful morning, don't throw it away. If I gave you the sunset, you wish for the rain. Do you even notice?
Here.
We're just moving in circles, but we're losing our shape. Oh, where did all the good things go? Oh, falling out of love too soon. It's a beautiful morning.
That was good. I think I'm just gonna go with 1 mile and then take a break and then see if I can do another mile. I think I'm done. I need to do some other things at home. So I'm gonna wipe down the machine and then we can get going.
Like a star that slowly disappears in the night.
I just finished brainstorming my ideas for my wish list, and now it is almost time for me to go downstairs to eat dinner. So I would just like to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Give my video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I know this wasn't like the most productive video ever, well, productive day, but I kind of woke up late, so kind of didn't give me like enough time to, I guess, like film everything. But don't forget to check out Debora's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!